All right, so we're looking at the last problem here. Okay, so if we look at F, it says the density of mercury is 13.6 grams per milliliter. What is the mass in kilograms of a 2-liter commercial flask of mercury? So this is going to be a conversion factor that we're going to use in the problem. This is the number we're going to want to start with. So we've got 2 liters, and whatever's on the top should drive what goes on the bottom. So liters are on the top. So I'm going to put liters on the bottom so they cancel. We can relate liters to milliliters pretty easily. That's just one of those prefixes, the King Henry ones. So 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. Again, whatever's on the top can drive what goes on the bottom. So since we had milliliters on the top, I want to put that on the bottom so they cancel. And we can get from milliliters to grams using this conversion right here. So that means 13.6 grams in 1 milliliter. Then we need to get from grams to kilograms. And I know that because up here it says what's the mass in kilograms. So I'm going to put grams on the bottom so that they cancel. Kilograms on the top. That's another prefix. So the King Henry died, unfortunately, drinking chocolate milk prefix. Which means 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And then I'll be left with kilograms, which is good because that's what I want. Okay. So if you go ahead on your calculator and you're going to want to multiply across the top. So you're going to take 2 times 1,000 times 13.6. And then you're going to basically divide by 1,000 again. So those basically cancel. Okay. Then what you should get as your answer there, you should get about 27.2 kilograms. And that's your final answer.